Hello everyone, this is Danish here. Since last 6 to 8 months, I was uploading videos to this channel related to English vocabularies, idioms and phrasal verbs. I was doing so because I wanted to improve my level of English. Right now my level of English is quite average, so I decided that in order to improve my level, I have to have more vocabularies and phrasal verbs. That's the reason I decided I will. That's the reason I started collecting the vocabularies as many as possible. But the approach that I was using to memorize these vocabularies and phrasal verbs or idioms was not effective. I found them to be quite ineffective. That's why I decided that now I have to change the approach and I have to go for something that is more practical and pragmatic. Now is to have my idea is to whenever I will encounter a new word, the words which are unknown to me, I will just note it down and I will ask ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever, uh, any of them to give me the meaning of this, and then I will ask the ChatGPT more. I will prefer ChatGPT more. So I will ask it to give me a simple conversation which has all these words in it. For example, I did it here. The prompt is me a simple human conversation that has word looked, divulge, oblique, immaculate, and mitigate in it. So this is an example where it generated me all this, where it generated me this conversation which has all these words in it. And I think that this is a quite good way to learn these vocabularies and to have more and more context of where to use them. With my previous approach, what was happening was whenever there was need to use the words, I was not able to recall them. I found that it was due to not repeating those words a lot and not using them in the sentences. That's why I need to have more and more sentences where those words are used. And I think that this method would be quite effective. And I will see if this method didn't work, then I will go for something else. But right now my decision is to not only to do these things but also to record all these videos, and I will read all these whenever there is a need. Sorry, I will read all these on my video and I will keep it as a record. So whenever there is need to recall these vocabularies, I will just watch these videos. In the video description, I will have I will write down each word that is there in the video. That way I will be able to recall them whenever it is required. I will watch them whenever I will feel the need to. So that's the approach that I have decided for now. And if you want to join me in this journey, then you can just subscribe to my channel.